Did you know that cinnamon, a common spice found in most pantries, was once valued as highly as gold? Its warm, sweet aroma and distinct flavor are only part of its appeal. Cinnamon has been celebrated for its remarkable health benefits for thousands of years. This super spice has earned its reputation as a natural remedy for various conditions, ranging from minor digestive issues to more serious ailments like cardiovascular and neurodegenerative diseases.
But not all cinnamon is created equal, and knowing the differences between the types of cinnamon is crucial for reaping its full benefits safely. In this video, we'll dive into cinnamon's fascinating history, its medicinal properties, 6 science-backed health benefits, the differences between the main types of cinnamon, and practical ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Stick around until the end, as we'll also share simple recipes and tips for using cinnamon effectively. Cinnamon's historical and medicinal legacy. Cinnamon's use dates back over 4,000 years, making it one of the oldest spices known to humanity. The ancient Egyptians utilized cinnamon not only for its culinary and aromatic properties, but also in their elaborate mummification processes. In other cultures, cinnamon was revered for its medicinal uses and even believed to have aphrodisiac qualities. Its rarity and value made it a prized commodity, often traded like precious metals. What makes cinnamon truly special are its versatile uses and unique chemical properties. While its bark is the most commonly used part, other components like its leaves, flowers, and roots also have specific applications. The leaves are often used in curries, the flowers can be dried and brewed into tea, and the roots and bark contribute to essential oils and medicinal powders. Cinnamon's potent health benefits stem from compounds like cinnamaldehyde, which gives it its distinctive aroma and flavor, and polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect against cellular damage. This incredible spice has stood the test of time, both in the kitchen and as a natural remedy. But how exactly does it benefit your health? Let's explore its 6 powerful effects in detail. The 6 key health benefits of cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea is more than just a comforting beverage. It's a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your daily routine. Let's explore its 6 key health benefits and the science behind them. 1. Regulates blood sugar. Cinnamon is renowned for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. It works by improving insulin sensitivity, allowing the hormone to function more effectively, and facilitating better glucose uptake by cells. Additionally, cinnamon slows the digestion of carbohydrates by inhibiting certain digestive enzymes, leading to a more gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream. 2. Antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon boasts impressive antimicrobial properties, capable of combating bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Its essential oils are particularly effective at inhibiting harmful microbes, such as those responsible for bad breath and cavities. Beyond oral health, cinnamon has been traditionally used to manage respiratory infections and even applied topically as an antiseptic. 3. Improves digestion. If you struggle with digestive discomfort, cinnamon tea can be a natural remedy. Its carminative properties help relieve gas and bloating, while its anti-spasmodic qualities relax the muscles of the digestive tract. By stimulating appetite and enhancing digestion, cinnamon can support overall gastrointestinal health. 4. Eases menstrual symptoms. Cinnamon's benefits extend to women's health, particularly for those dealing with menstrual discomfort. As an emmenagogue, it promotes menstrual flow by improving blood circulation to the pelvic area and uterus. Additionally, its anti-dysmenorrheic properties help reduce cramps and other symptoms associated with dysmenorrhea. 5. Supports heart health. Cinnamon is a heart-healthy spice, helping to lower cholesterol levels, reduce triglycerides, and stabilize blood pressure. These effects contribute to reducing the overall risk of cardiovascular diseases. While ongoing research continues to explore these benefits, many studies suggest cinnamon's protective role in heart health is promising. 6. Potential neurodegenerative protection. Emerging research indicates that cinnamon might help protect against neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Animal studies have shown that certain compounds in cinnamon may inhibit the buildup of proteins in the brain, linked to these diseases. While human trials are still needed, these initial findings are encouraging. Types of cinnamon: Ceylon versus Cassia. Not all cinnamon is the same, and understanding the differences between the two main types, Ceylon and Cassia, is crucial for safe and effective use. Ceylon cinnamon, true cinnamon. Ceylon cinnamon is often referred to as true cinnamon due to its superior medicinal properties. It contains minimal coumarin, a compound that can be harmful to the liver in large amounts. Its delicate flavor and lower coumarin content make it the preferred choice for daily consumption and therapeutic use. Cassia cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon, on the other hand, is more commonly found in stores and is typically less expensive. However, it contains significantly higher levels of coumarin, making it less suitable for long-term use, particularly for those with liver issues. Choosing wisely. To ensure you're getting Ceylon cinnamon, look for products labeled as Ceylon or True Cinnamon. Its lighter color and finer texture can also help distinguish it from Cassia. Investing in high-quality cinnamon is worth the extra cost for its health benefits and safety. How to use cinnamon for health. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine is simple, and there are many ways to unlock its health benefits. Preparation. Methods. Cinnamon tea can be prepared through two main methods: infusions and decoctions. For a quick infusion, use ground cinnamon. Steep 1 to 1.5 teaspoons in a cup of boiled water for 5 to 10 minutes to extract its nutrients. For a decoction, ideal for cinnamon sticks, simmer a stick in water for 10 to 20 minutes. This longer process helps release the full spectrum of compounds from the bark. Dosage and safety guidelines. To safely enjoy cinnamon, limit your intake to 1 to 2 cups of tea daily, ensuring you don't exceed the recommended maximum of 4 grams of cinnamon per day. For therapeutic purposes, always consult a healthcare provider, particularly if you're managing a health condition or considering long-term use. Precautions, side effects, and final tips. While cinnamon is generally safe in culinary amounts, excessive consumption can lead to side effects. Risks and side effects. Cassia cinnamon contains high levels of coumarins, which, when consumed in large quantities, may cause liver toxicity. Some individuals may also experience allergic reactions, gastrointestinal discomfort, or skin irritation when using cinnamon topically. Drug interactions. Cinnamon can amplify the effects of anti-diabetic and anticoagulant medications, potentially leading to unwanted side effects. It's essential to start with low doses and consult a healthcare provider to avoid complications. Special considerations. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should use cinnamon with caution. While small culinary amounts are likely safe, medicinal doses lack sufficient research to confirm their safety during these stages. Cinnamon's rich history, exceptional health benefits, and versatility make it a true super spice. From regulating blood sugar to supporting heart health and easing digestion, its advantages are undeniable. However, it's vital to choose the right type of cinnamon, Ceylon for its lower coumarin content, and consult a healthcare professional if you plan to use it medicinally. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from cinnamon's wonders. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more health-focused content. Check out the related videos on your screen for additional tips to enhance your well-being. Let's continue this journey to better health together. See you in the next video.